Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we are still range bound as expected yesterday. We did bounce off the level, so there was an entry for a long, and profit taking is basically where we are now. So we'll get to that now, but nothing really else that you can read into that on the 8-hour. If we drop down to the 3-hour, you can see still sort of meandering to the upside. We do have a little bit of a channel forming here. So you can see if I do that, it's going to give you the channel. If I do that, it's going to give you the channel. So nothing really that you need to worry about there. So let's just rather just get it out of there. But just to show you that we are sort of crawling to the upside. Oscillators have kind of separated a little bit. They're in the overbought area, so I would be reluctant to be jumping in longs here on the 3-hour. And either a range or a channel forming, no real bearish structure at the moment, strong uptrend. It's just looking a little bit tired. So if we get to the 1-hour, you can see a couple of things that happened yesterday. Big down, big up, big down, big up. So there definitely was an opportunity buying early in the session here for there, and then we came back to the same level and basically buyers stepped in again. So this level here of 45.75 was very much in play, and this area here is also in play, which is 4600. So if you drop down to the 15-minute, I suspect it's probably going to be more of the same. So you can see this last climb here was during sort of going into the close. So you can see there, as I said, as we were doing the video yesterday, I said to you that looking like an opportunity here. There was the opportunity. Continue to the upside, profit taking. Then during the US session, we just basically didn't know what to do before having this big engulfing bar on the 15-minute here, which is 140-point engulfing bar. So until we break these two levels, I'm not confident of anything, to be honest. One thing that is sure, and I'm just going to use this level here, is you can see Friday's high, which was here. We got above it, got below it, and now we're above Friday's high. So the logic that I would have today is basically we need to get through yesterday's high convincingly, come back and test this area for any longs. Otherwise, sit on the sides because it's more than likely just going to continue ranging here. So yeah, we've got non-farm payrolls on Friday, which is quite far away, and bits and pieces of data in between. But this is just a market that's really confused. And while it's confused, it's not really a good idea to go against the trend, firstly, and then secondly, to just jump in at the top of move. So this is top of move, so I don't really want to go short because that's against the trend. So we need to just wait and see what structure happens. So it's either a pullback back down to the bottom of the range, which will give you an opportunity again, or alternatively, it's a big squirt up and then a pullback onto some structure, buy at that structure for a move to the upside. Until that happens, it's sit quietly and stare at the wall. Hope that helps, and if it does, drop us a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.